Casmara presents the Expert Dermapeels collection, a complete range of chemical peels for a total skin renewal procedure that removes damaged or aged cells and stimulates their replacement by new and healthy cells, softening imperfections of the skin and restoring its intrinsic beauty as a result. Professional and innovative cosmetics that revolutionize the spectre of exfoliating treatments thanks to two unique and exclusive formulas with a renewing, regenerating and rejuvenating action in a sequence of different phases, including the original algae peel-off mask. Due to the high concentration of acids throughout the treatment, the use of nitrile gloves is recommended throughout the protocol. Phase 0. Preparation of the skin. Before starting the treatment, it is recommended to clean and repair the area with the Casmara 3-in-1 Multifunction Gel Makeup Remover, which, based on active ingredients of natural origin, guarantees a gentle and deep cleansing of the skin. Apply several pumps manually to the face, neck and décolleté, emulsify with circular movements activating its foaminess, and finally rinse with plenty of water. We start the Expert Dermapeel treatment with phase 1 of specific cleansing action, applying the pre-treatment preparing lotion degreasing solution. We recommend soaking a sterile gauze with the degreasing preparing lotion and gently dabbing and stroking it over the skin, without the need to rinse after application. Thanks to the combination of its plant-based surfactant with alcohol, this lotion removes accumulated oil from the skin surface and deeply cleanses it. It also contains trehalose, a natural sugar with moisturizing and protective action. The result of this fusion of active ingredients is a preparation that is optimal and respectful for the skin. Prior to the application of the chemical peel, it is essential to apply a specific balm to protect the most delicate areas. Casmara recommends the application of multi-benefit 7-in-1 with the help of a cotton bud or a small stick locally to mucous membranes, nostrils and sensitive or micropigmented areas to avoid irritation and alterations in color. Phase 2. Renewal Chemical Peels. Highly renewing formulas that refine the skin, improving its overall appearance, thanks to the fusion of thoroughly selected acids to offer an optimal result on the skin. PSF Peel, based on pyruvic acid, succinic acid and ferulic acid, has a double regenerating and anti-aging effect and acts by improving all signs of aging and preventing their appearance on the skin, softening wrinkles and expression lines as well as providing firmness and elasticity, lightening blemishes, unifying skin tone and brightening and revitalizing the skin complexion. SAS Peel, based on shikimic, azelaic and salicylic acid, has a purifying and regenerating action, eliminates the impurities of the skin and simultaneously effectively reduces signs of aging by exfoliating and intensely cleansing, purifying, detoxifying and regulating the sebaceous secretion while softening wrinkles and scars, improving the skin's micro-relief. In both cases, it is recommended to apply the selected peel in layers on the area to be treated with brush strokes, maintaining a safe distance in the eye contour area. In the case of PSF peel, it is recommended to apply 2 layers with an interval of 10 minutes, leaving it on to act for a total of 20 minutes. And in the case of SAS peel, it is recommended to apply up to 3 layers with an interval of 10 minutes between each layer, summing up to a total of 30 minutes of exposure time. This phase does not require rinsing. Depending on the sensitivity of the skin, the client may feel a slight heat sensation or activation in the area during the time of exposure of the acids, a sensation that will fade with the application of the following phase. After the application of phase 2, the pH of the skin decreases, so it is essential to balance it and restore optimal skin pH levels with phase 3, the neutralizing solution. Thanks to its delicate active ingredients, this neutralizing phase is not only able to stop the action of the previously applied acids, but also helps to balance the skin and protect it by restoring its natural pH level. Start by applying post-peel neutralizing solution with brush strokes to the neck and décolleté, as these areas are the most sensitive ones, or to those areas in where the client feels more activation, and continue by completely covering full face and the treated area, allowing the solution to act, producing a visible and pleasant effervescence that calms and balances the skin. When the neutralizing solution enters in contact with the acids on the skin, the client may notice an increase in temperature that will subside automatically after a few seconds. When the foaming reaction starts to diminish, rinse with plenty of water using a compact Casmara towelette. Phase 4. HS Peel Booster is a double action boosting gel that multiplies the effects of the previous phases thanks to the fusion of two powerful active ingredients such as shikimic acid and hyaluronic acid, combining the long-lasting exfoliating effect of shikimic acid with the moisturizing power of the hyaluronic acid. This boosting phase that exponentially enhances the action of the acids can be applied to resistant skins that show greater tolerance to the treatment, or it may be left out when treating sensitive skins that show a greater reaction to the acids, making the Casmara Expert Dermapeel protocol versatile and completely adaptable to the type of skin on which it is applied. Apply HS Peel Booster performing smoothing, penetrating movements by means of a brief massage of approximately 5 minutes until total absorption of the product. This phase does not require rinsing as it is essential that its active ingredients remain on the skin for at least 5 hours after the Casmara Expert Dermapeel session, in order to prolong the exfoliating action and supply a powerful renewing and strengthening long-lasting effect. Next, apply Phase 5 Nova New Mask 2045 Soothing and Toning Facial Mask. For the preparation of the mask, pour the entire content of Sachet 1 gel and Sachet 2 powder into a bowl. Using a spatula, mix both components for around 30 seconds until an even mixture is obtained. With the same spatula, spread the mixture over the face, working quickly as the mask will set on the skin approximately 3 minutes after being prepared. Thanks to its exclusive formula, the eyes and lips may be covered for a wonderfully relaxing result. It is recommended to leave the mask on to act minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove it from top to bottom, starting at the edges. At the end of a Casmara Expert Dermapeel session, after Phase 5, the skin will be slightly exposed and particularly sensitive to solar radiation, so it is necessary to apply a cream with Factor 50 sun protection. For this, Casmara recommends the use of Clarifying Anti-Aging Cream SPF 50 or Photo-Aging Control Gel Cream SPF 50+. For daily home care between sessions, Casmara recommends Age Defense. Its exclusive and unique 100% natural formula and its technology based on pro and prebiotics recovers the microbiome and has the power to reinforce the skin's natural defense capacity, in addition to providing technologically advanced active ingredients that supply a delicate anti-aging care and enhance the activation of the skin's regenerating mechanism. Casmara Expert Dermapeel, a total renewal that rediscovers the beauty of your skin.